We told you what we have experienced. We have cured hundreds of patients from that hepatitis A, B, C, and liver cirrhosis were comparatively less, but even among them, very positive results, and some patients have been cured 100%. That is, even if one patient of liver cirrhosis gets cured, it's a big thing. But many such patients have been cured. How they were cured? First, we'll tell you some of the treatments connected with herbal roots from nature. After that, we'll tell you yoga practice. Those who are chronic patients, for them, Bhumi Amla, Punarnava, and Makol. The usage of these three is amazingly beneficial in hepatitis A, B, C, and cirrhosis of liver. First of all, we'll tell you about Bhumi Amla. With Bhumi Amla, jaundice becomes alright from 3 to 7 days. Bhumi Amla grows more during monsoons. If you are able to get fresh Bhumi Amla, then give its fresh juice. It gives maximum benefit. It increases hemoglobin and it eliminates all liver disorders. SUT, SUPT level starts normalizing very fast, immediately. Like how when the body gets infected, then in only one day the whole body becomes infected. Similarly, in just one day, often the herbal roots give amazing benefits. For example, for a day, just one day, put juice of Vidal Doda in the nose. Soak Vidal Doda at night and in the morning, mash it nicely and put its extract. Put 5 drops in each nostrils. This is an amazing benefit of Vidal Doda's extract. After it is put in the nostrils, then a yellowish water starts coming out of nostrils and jaundice becomes alright. This may be surprising in seeing and listening, but it happens. Similarly, on the first day, crush Bhumi Amla and its juice, 10 to 20 grams, give it to the patient. From the first day itself, jaundice will start becoming alright. And within 3 to 7 days, 100% jaundice becomes alright. For 3 days, another method is tried out. We take Aak Madar. Although it is considered poisonous, but it is a medicine. Take a soft leaf of aak, the tender leaf of aak, take a small piece of that, about half an inch, that's all. About half an inch, Aak Madar. It's tender leaf. The tender new leaf, take about half an inch and put it in a betel leaf. After putting it in betel leaf, slowly take in its juice. Doing so for 3 days once jaundice becomes alright. This Bhumi Amla. This too within 3 to 7 days, Bhumi Amla's juice within 3 to 7 days eliminates jaundice. The juice of bark of Shonak. The bark of Shonak's juice also eliminates jaundice within 3 to 7 days. This Shonak. And this only hepatitis from this Bhumi Amla, from this Shonak, hepatitis A, B, C, all 3 becomes alright. This Shonak